Today I'm going to show you how to evaluate a postfix expression. So inside the int main function, we will create a character array with size 20. Then I have given a cout statement with enter postfix expression. The user will enter the postfix expression, which will be inputted into the array variable. Then I have declared a pointer variable p with character int data type. The array values will be stored inside the p. After that, I have declared a temporary variable with int data type. Then I have created a while loop with a condition that is pointer p not equal to null character. So this while loop will be continuing until the value inside the point star p doesn't becomes null. So inside this, I have given if else if ladder. The first if is condition I have given is alnum pointer p. So if the inside the pointer p values are, if they are is alphabet or numerical, then it will go to the next set of statement inside the if condition, that is it will pushing the elements into the stack. So I am calling the push function with the arguments. Inside the arguments, I am doing some changes that is pointer p minus 48. The pointer p is pointing out the values inside that array, and minus 48, it is a ASCII code which represents 48 represents 0 in the ASCII code. So here what I am doing, I'm converting character into integer and passing it as an argument into the push function. So this is calling push function. So here is the push function. Inside this, I have the argument is int x. So here I have converted this character into integer and have passed this into the push function inside this. And before this functions, I have declared some global variables, that is top is equal to -1 with integer data type, and one more array that is stack with size 20 of integer data type. So inside push function, I have given top plus plus and stack of top is equal to x. So firstly, top variable will be incremented, then stack of top will be taking the value from the x which I have passed inside the argument of the function. Then after this, it will again go to the loop and check if the conditions are alphabet, numerical, or any other character. If it is any other character than alphabet or numerical, then it will go to these other else if conditions. So firstly, let's check this. If the pointer p is equal to double equal to plus, if it contains plus operator, then it will go to these statements that I've created, that is temp is equal to, and this is pop. This is a function I have defined above the int name. So pop is equal to top plus pop is equal to top. So I am calling this function 2 times. So let's see the pop function. So inside the pop function, I have passed the argument, and this is the argument is of integer data type. Inside this pop function, I have declared one more variable of type integer, and inside this I have given x is equal to stack of y. So whatever the value of stack of y contains, the x will be retrieving that, and then I am decreasing the value of top by -1. Then this x value is being returning to the program in the main function by return x. So this pop will be getting the value of x, and again I am calling this pop function. So it will go to the pop function, and again it will get the value of x. As the top decreases, the value of x will be different. So after it receives the value of x, it will be doing the arithmetic function with, that is the plus operator. It will be adding, and it will be stored into the temp variable. After that, I am calling a push function with argument as temp, which I received from the earlier statement. That value, this value will be passed on to this function as an argument. Let's see the push. As I told you earlier, the argument is int x, and the top will be incremented, and this stack of top will be receiving the value which I have given the argument. So like this, it will be doing everything for minus, also multiplication and division. So this is for push pops evaluations, postfix evaluation. Then after that, to show all the values, I have given another while loop outside this while loop, which is that top not equal to -1. So until the top doesn't becomes -1, this loop will be continuing. Inside this I have given cout stack of top, so this will be showing the value inside this stack. Then after that, top will be decrementing by -1. Now let's run the program. So now let's enter postfix expression. For example, 5 6 multiplication operator, then 3 division operator, and 2 and minus operator. Now let's press enter. So the value is 8, so it's correct. Actually, if 5 6, it will go to the array. Then this multiplication operator will call those two values. So 5 into 6 30. Then this will be going back to the stack. Then 3 will be also going to the stack. Then again, if this division operator will be popping out those two values from the stack. So 30 divided 3 10. 10 will be going to the stack again. Then 2 will be going to the stack. Minus operator comes, it will pop out those two elements. So that is 10 minus 2 8. So final answer is 8. Hence the program is working successfully. Thank you.